In this video, I'll show you how to add a number counter to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for elf site. Now that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the tools section, and down below you will find number counter. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the arrow, simply press an F11, and what you could also do is on the right corner of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 4 options. On the content section, what you can do is add a counter. To do that, simply click on the Add Counter button. In here, you can manually add your value source, or what you could also do is add an external URL. Now, below the counter value source, you will notice something called prefix and postfix. When you type a specific symbol on the prefix, it will go at the very start of the text. At the postfix, it would do the opposite. It would go to the end of the text. You can add a prefix and a postfix as well as a caption below. Now what you could also do is add an icon to your counter. So go to the right hand side, click on add, and then you can choose from the library or add from your computer. There will be a lot of things here to choose from. So when you're done, just simply go to the top and on the right hand side, click on done. On the layout section, this is where we can change our layout. We have here the number of columns that we want to do, the space between the counters, and what we could also do is on mobile settings, we can change the tablet or the phone. Below, you can change the width. You can set this to auto, pixels, or a percentage. Below, you can change the counter elements layout. If you want it to be on the very left hand side, you want it to center, or what you could also do is add the icons on the left instead. On the style section, this is where we can change our style. You can change your widget background, counter background color, number color, caption color, icon background color, as well as the icon. Below, you can change the font as well as customize how you want the number font as well as the caption font to be, and you can even change the size of the icon. On the settings, what you could do is change the animation speed from 2 seconds up until 5, as well as the animation type from ease out to linear. Once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into elf site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to go Embed in Social here below. And then under Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you want to make sure to highlight and then delete everything that is written in here. Next, you want to press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And down below, you want to click on Update so you can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to view the widget. The next step is to expand the widget, and to do that, on the corners of the frame, you will see the circle buttons. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text. Below, you want to highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Next, you want to head over to Wix Studio. In here, you want to click on the widget. At the top, click on Edit Code. From here, what you want to do is press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Now, under Font Family on the right-hand side, this is where you can change the fonts that you want within your widget. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Update so we can view the changes. As you can see, I have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, go to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have a number counter on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.